Hello there. Today we are diving into treasure trove of insights in the 2020 Pinterest Predicts report. And this isn't just any report. It is a crystal ball into the future of consumer trends. And guess what? It is a game changer for service-based providers like us. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jen Vazquez of Jen Vazquez Media. And we help female entrepreneurs use Pinterest and other marketing workflows to really grow their business and bring in leads. If this is something that you're going to be interested in, I would love for you to like and subscribe as we release videos each week. Let's unpack this report and explore how it can turbocharge your marketing strategies. So, why Pinterest Predicts is a marketer's best friend. Pinterest is where people plan their dreams and aspirations. With over 482 million users, that's 482 million people that are on Pinterest every single month. They're dreaming big dreams on this platform. The Pinterest Predicts report is much more than just a list of trends. It's truly a roadmap to understanding what's buzzing in the hearts and minds of consumers. Key highlights from the report. A spectrum of trends. So for beauty, the report spotlights revolutionary beauty trends like blue beauty, where aquamarine shades become a staple in the makeup routines. And this shift could signal a broader, and this shift can signal a broader trend toward bold, expressive color choices in the beauty product section. For fashion, trends such as electric grandpa and bow stacking are reshaping the fashion landscape. These styles blend nostalgia with modern offering fresh perspectives on personal style. Food and beverage. The culinary world is buzzing with innovation, as seen in trends like burger quesadillas and pizza pot pies. These playful, creative food mashups could really inspire a new wave of fusion cuisine. And before I get to the next part, I definitely want to invite you to Creative Marketing Summit. It is a summit specifically for female service providers, and we have 30 speakers that will be appearing. And guess what? It's absolutely free. So register down below and we'll see you in February. Generational insights. The report provides an in-depth look at how different generations are driving these trends. For example, Gen Z might be spearheading the blue beauty trend, while millennials could be behind the resurgence of electric grandpa style. These insights are crucial for targeting your content and marketing to resonate with specific age groups. Search term goldmine. Each trend in this report is accompanied by a relevant search term that have witnessed significant increases. For instance, fun blue nails has seen a 260% increase, indicating a rising interest in vibrant beauty aesthetics. Leveraging these search terms in your Pinterest SEO strategy moving into 2024 will significantly boost the visibility and the relevance of your content. Home decor trends. The report highlights intriguing home decor trends like kitchens, where kitchens are adorned with quirky, whimsical elements. The Western Gothic theme combines rust charm and Gothic elegance, suggesting a move toward more eclectic and personalized home spaces in 2024. Wellness and well-being. Trends like rest stops for slow travel and big talk for meaningful conversations highlight a societal shift toward mindfulness and deeper connections. These trends offer rich content themes for businesses in the wellness and lifestyle sector. So how can you use these trends for your business? Well, for content creation, align your content with these trends, whether it's blog posts, Pinterest boards, or Instagram stories. Infuse these insights to stay ahead of the curve. Product development. For product-based businesses, these trends are a goldmine. They can inspire new product lines or influence your marketing campaigns for existing products that you have in a way that will resonate with the trends for 2024. Community engagement. Use these trends to engage with your community. Polls, quizzes, and discussions around these trends can really boost your engagement and bring your audience even closer. Ethical marketing with Pinterest. Pinterest's commitment to ethical marketing is a breath of fresh air in terms of social media platforms. They prioritize responsible practices, ensuring that we connect with our audience in a respectful and inclusive manner. This is why it's one of the most positive corners of the internet to market. The 2024 Pinterest Predicts report is not just a report, it is a beacon for us, the creative marketer guiding us through the dynamic world of consumer preferences. By leveraging these insights or predictions for 2024, we're not just following trends, we are riding the wave of innovation and relevance. So let's definitely use the power of Pinterest to make our marketing strategies shine. You can see the whole report down below